I'm gonna unbox this Interstate-McBee kit for a 6068 John Deere PowerTech engine. You get the requisite number of liner kits, 4 or 6, whether it's a 6.8 or a 4.5 PowerTech Deere engine. And of course, bearings and gaskets and really good quality stuff. We have connecting rod bushings. Okay, we have the boxes with the wrist pins packaged separately so they don't get beat up, protected well against rust, corrosion. Small end bushings for the connecting rods, main bearings, and they're good quality stuff, not cheap stuff. They fit well, they're well finished. Same with the thrust bearing for the crankshaft. We'll open up a liner kit box, and first we get the ring set, and it's the normal OEM style piston rings with the nice moly or chrome face top ring, the cast iron second, and the 2-piece oil ring with expander. Good stuff, good quality stuff, top line. Liner O-rings, made just like OEM. And then the piston and liner with the retention clips for the wrist pin. And the piston's good. The typical Ni-resist ring insert at the top. Just a nice cast piston, just like OEM. And same with the liner. They're good quality stuff, good castings. They're well honed. They're clean. We've had 0 problems with them being out of tolerance anywhere. The counterbore is accurate on the top. The lower one is also accurate. We don't have any excess play. It fits within spec. We found that McBee gaskets are head and shoulders above most of the aftermarket available. A lot of the gaskets in this kit rival John Deere OEM stuff, and the O-rings are exceptionally good. Okay, we'll open up the gasket set. So you can see it's packaged well to keep it from moving around in shipment. That's the valve cover gasket there, OEM style. And here are the small individual gaskets. Water pump, oil cooler, and the O-rings, which actually fit instead of some others that you have to substitute OEM to actually get the job done because the O-rings are made out of inferior material. These are not. Here's the oil pan gasket, and same with the front cover and front end gaskets. They are excellent stuff. No problems at all. They have a nice round radius when they package them with these, so they fold better. They don't pinch and crack. Then on the bottom layer, we should have a head gasket in here. It's a nice OEM style graphite sandwich type gasket, and it actually fits well.